Right now, see this with our industry exclusive nothing to it. Now we make this a bearish continuation pattern. I almost hit them back to my truck now. Only a few hundred yards away. That would make this upper resistance, which would be essentially the moving averages and the support frame. The lower support is sort of in the same area, decides to flash quick. And this is all one big bearish consolidation. And your next leg down, as the dollar starts to strengthen, as we get ever so closely, as each passing day goes by, we get one day closer to a 50 basis point rate hike again. And I'm thinking Bitcoin's going to be down in this area. If we want a bit of a windstorm, I'm thinking Bitcoin's going to be down in this 20,992 level as we run into our next rate hike, right? So I think this is a bearish consolidation. And on any pump, I think as high as you're getting is the 200-day moving average, which you can see we've been at for quite some time. That was 2 days ago. You can see it's steeply downtrending now and forcing the price and squeezing it into this range. And as soon as we break down, if that's where we do go, it's going to break down quick to a double bottom low down here at 25,000, 24,000 and change, right? You got your step down where you got your support, and then you got your double bottom all the way down there at just about 24.9, right? And that's what I'm watching out for you, and it's what you need to be watching out for. And as you do know, old Vincenzo has a long-term target at an industry exclusive and an industry first to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, a late summer target of 13,336. And we've been calling for that since the price was up in here and topping out, right? We had diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected this double top and what the ultimate end of the year capitulation could be. But there is a way we get much, much lower than that. That was just an early target leg down in this bear market, right? And that's what I think is going on. And you can see from the top, and when we were back here at about 68,000 almost, that $13,000 level was 80% flush. And then I could see a nice little return rally because there's some regional and local support there, back up into some major upper resistance. And then I could see a way where you come down where I have circled at $8,852 by the end of this year or the beginning of 2023, right? So industry exclusive to Vincenzo that started calling for this multi-year bear market last year at the top of the first peak. And then we let you know about a little rally that overshot and got about 20% higher than I thought it would. And now the bear market is ensuing, and that's where we're at right now. And if we look at the old XRP and this little brief rundown, I put some good oil videos out last night. I would highly recommend that you watch. So it's stock market and oil market. It all correlates to Bitcoin, right, in the cryptos. You can see XRP is not really doing much. It's getting forced down, just like we talked about yesterday, by this 200-day moving average, just like it's been all the way back in the price. That was a major area of a turnaround right here, breaking that key 13-month almost symmetrical triangle right after we gave you the buy signal here and the sell signal up there, because we didn't think it was ready to break down yet, right? And then it did break down, and now we've continued to be forced down on every little pump, and the 200-day moving average has been the big slayer. And I think you're coming down here to this 36 cents. to try to build maybe a double bottom down here to try to maybe force your way back up in here, right? Or you're gonna this is a big bearish continuation pattern, just like the Bitcoin, and you're gonna start to trade down towards the top part of the shit house. And as you do know, old Vincenzo has that technical target out of this industry exclusive that he called back here and diagnosed it out that this was a symmetrical triangle almost 8 months ago, out ahead of the competition and the rest of the crypto sphere and the market manipulators and the fleece heisters and shysters here on YouTube. Vincenzo sidestepped it all in super simple, easy technical analysis, and a targeted move on a breakdown is like that. And that brings you right to that target down there at about 20 cents, right? 18, 20 cents, 19 cents, right in that range. And that is your full lateral flush. And we're about 2/3 of the way through it. And I think this is just a bearish continuation pattern right here on the way down. And then on the next leg of the downside, you're going to fulfill this targeted move, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.